If your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro is cracking, hissing, or constantly buzzing, stop what you're doing. From random interference to constant background static noise, these glitches are killing your audio. Here is how you silence them and get back to crystal clear sound. First, let's talk about volume. If you're hearing a buzz, specifically when you're at 90 or 100% volume, you're likely experiencing driver distortion. Try lowering the phone volume to 80% while there's music. Also, from the Buds 4 settings, go to Sound Quality and Effects. Enter Equalizer. You can cycle through the preset EQ modes and choose the one that gives you the clearest sound without any distortion. It's recommended to use the Dynamic EQ to boost the sound safely without the rattle. While you're at it, go back one step and you can toggle off 360 audio. This feature is cool, but in some environments, it adds a subtle hiss to the background. Next, the outdoor crackle. If your buds pop or hiss when a car honks or you're in a loud crowd, it's an ANC feedback loop. To fix this, go into the app and try Ambient Sound or toggle Adaptive Noise Control. If ANC is a must for you, reduce the intensity in a noisy place. Finally, check for firmware updates. Samsung frequently releases stability patches, specifically to fix mic processing crackle. If the hissing happens even in total silence, it's time for the old school fix, the hard reset. Open the settings to manage connections and hit Reset. You can also just unpair it and reconnect it to your device if the additional settings are missing. This force closes any background processing bugs that are stuck in a loop. And unless there's a hardwire issue, hopefully the buzzing or hissing is gone and your audio sounds clean again. Thanks for your time.